Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Sofia, Bulgaria, and I'm at the Sofia Synagogue. And you can see that it was, consummated in, right up here, 1909. So anyway, that's it. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, bye everybody. Okay everybody, I found this sign here too on the way in. Monument of Culture, the Sofia Synagogue. The Sofia Synagogue is the largest Sephardic synagogue in Europe and one of the most beautiful architecture in the movement, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, you can read all that as you choose to. Hit pause if needed. The hall seats 1,170 people. It is covered with an octagonal dome with a lantern, 20 meter by 31 meter. Okay. Floor of synagogue is covered with mosaics, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and here's what it looks like. There's the map. And there's the glossary. Okay. Let's go get inside. I always rather see inside than read the stuff. Okay, that's it for me. Bye, everybody. Okay, everybody, this is the synagogue, and I paid my ticket, and I get to go in. So this synagogue was consummated in 1909. And it's the largest in Southern Europe, is that right? I mean, we know Hungary, Budapest was the largest. Wow, heck of a dome. Heck of a chandelier too. Wow. It's pretty amazing. Huh. And I guess that's where the thing is behind that thing, because it's pointing east. I don't remember all the ins and outs, but this is the synagogue. Oh, that stained glass is amazing. Let me show you that too. Can you see that very well? Let me see if I can get it to darken for that. That's a little better. Huh. Oops. What's this? Oh, a model of the building? No. You know this little lip right here? It causes people to trip all the time. And all their seats have numbers again. I guess that's a thing in the synagogue church. I guess everything has a number. You're number 73. Oh, and what's this? Oh, ruins from the very first church, maybe? With the glass floor? Huh. I wonder if there used to be a synagogue underneath this place before 1909. I wonder if there's more glass floors on this side. Let me go check. Nope. Okay, everybody. Well, this is the synagogue in Sofia, Bulgaria. What do you think? Not so bad. Okay. Well, that's it for me. This was on the top 20 things to see. That light doesn't work very well for that. And it's got a big yard too. And gardens and all sorts of stuff. All right, everybody. That's it. Bye.